Once upon a time, there was a greedy chef who worked in a big hotel. He was always taking more food than he needed, and he never gave anything to the poor people who worked in the hotel. One day, a poor boy came to the hotel looking for work. The chef saw the boy and thought, "This boy is so thin. He will never eat much food." So the chef hired the boy to work in the kitchen. The boy worked hard, and he was always willing to help others. One day, the chef was making a big pot of soup. He was about to pour the soup into his own bowl when the boy stopped him. "Chef," the boy said, "why don't you share the soup with the other workers?" The chef was angry. "I'm the chef," he said. "I deserve to eat more than the other workers." "But the other workers are poor," the boy said. "They don't have enough to eat." The chef thought for a moment. He knew that the boy was right. So he shared the soup with the other workers. The next day, the chef was surprised to find that he was not as hungry as usual. He realized that he had been overeating and was not enjoying his food. From that day on, the chef shared his food with the other workers. He also started to give food to the poor people who came to the hotel. The chef was no longer greedy, and he was much happier.